welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm pretty sure you can see the thing that's going on that side. I have been speaking about it so much that I want to change the wall, I just was not feeling it. So I finally did it. Let me just take you to a flashback. I absolutely had to record this because this is finally happening. This is how it looks currently. You guys will see it better later because I'm yet to decorate it a little bit. I'll put some pictures and all out there because last night when I actually sat in front of my mirror, I don't know if I should be saying it, but I really did miss my pink and grey wall. I know what you guys are thinking, like, Swagata, that was very stupid of you. I get it, okay? I needed a white wall for my work. That is the only reason, mainly the only reason I had to actually take the colors off. Yeah, I do feel a bit colorless at this point. So I'm just going to be adding a few pictures and like a few fairy lights and all that to make, give it a little something in the wall so I don't feel the void. See, this room I made it when I was a teenager. So I obviously have a lot of memories attached to it, to every corner of this room, because everything that you can see in this room has been built step by step. Like, there was at first only one wardrobe. When I started working on my fashion blog, there were like too many clothes at one point, so we had to make myself another cupboard, and all of these are made cupboards. We get carpenters and actually measure stuff and make. That's something my people at my home like to do. I don't know why. Okay, enough of life updates. Now let's dive straight into the video. Today is about a Forever 21 haul. Now the story behind this, these are just some tops that I got from F21 the last day. Now let's be clear, it's so hot where I live, it's not possible at all to go and buy like dresses and like gowns and all that because there's nowhere to go. Nobody's inviting me to a party. Whole of 2020, the last party I went to was in February 1st. But yeah, let me just show you guys what I got, alright? They were on a 50% off when I got there. The actual price of this was $4.99 since they were on a 50% discount. So I got it for $250. Yes, good math, good math. Stretchable, bodycon, super comfortable. It just reaches up to the thighs. It'll cover my butt, obviously. The color is actually really sweet, right? I could actually pair it up with like cotton white shirts or like a random tee, you know. Hello, this is Edit Swagata. I'm obviously currently editing the video because that's all Edit Swagata does. I came here to tell you guys that video Swagata was, I think, actually not in the greatest moods the day she was filming the video. So I hope you guys can cut her some slack. I'm also gonna cut her some slack and a lot of her video bites actually. Signing off, Edit Swagata. So the next thing we have is this little top. It really did go with my skin tone. I like Forever 21 crop tops, okay? They make sense. They look cute and it's like a little Instagram baddie sort of, right? So this one I got for 700 rupees. Yeah, I didn't really get a discount on this one. I definitely think I'm gonna wear it to like a pool day or a holiday as such. Yeah, it'll look great. Okay, so the next thing I have is something that I found. This is what happens when you put anything in my hand. Anyway, so the next thing I have is something I found purely by coincidence, alright? Apparently, that is the day when the stock of the Barbie collection just hit the store. The only day of the year that I'd been lucky, 2020 otherwise, I tell you. I got my hands on the Barbie collection top. I mean, there were other things that they had, but when I looked at this, dude, I need to get this one. I have to put this on my body for at least one time. And even though I already said that there is no parties to attend or nowhere precisely to go to, like wearing these kind of, you know, fancy stuff, but still I could not manage to leave it behind. And it cost $1,299. I, however, got a 20% lucky discount on this. So you do the math. So it's really, really cute. So excited. I'm not like somebody who really likes a whole feminine bunch of stuff. That's not me. Well, but this I approve of, okay? It's like Barbie directly sold it to me. This is the reason I like Forever 21. They're so trendy, you know, they just know where to tap. They just know your nerves and they'll tap right into it. Okay, now coming to the last top that I have from them. I'll be honest, I actually did not pick this up. I found this near the trial room. Yeah, I know it's Corona time and it's sort of dangerous, but I felt like nobody had wore it because it was properly there in a hanger in a rack. And this is the piece which actually made up 80% of my bill. Rest of them were not so expensive. It was 1800 rupees. How beautiful the neckline is. I mean, it's very feminine and flattering, showing a little bit of the skin but not too much. Like the hands are full sleeved, so perfect for like a coffee date or something. I actually see myself wearing this piece a lot, so you are gonna see this a lot on my Instagram. And I know for one that everybody has this one color, like black or blue or pink or white, anything, which even though you plan that I'm not gonna buy more of this because I have a lot of it in my wardrobe, but as soon as you go to shop and you find it on the racks, you're like, yeah, that's the perfect one for me. It just subconsciously happens, right? I think white is absolutely that color for me. I feel like I spend a lot on accessories that I don't know how to really keep properly. So I just got myself this hairband. Since it's a hairband, I got it only for 100 rupees. If it was a bracelet, okay, the same thing. If this was a bracelet, I tell you, the price tag would have been at least 399. So yes guys, that was it for today's video. You usually do it with your friends, right? You call them over to your house and you just show them, see, I bought this, do you like this? So that's exactly what I try and do with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, if you do, then please make sure to press the subscribe button down below. I hope you have a great time. Bye bye.